Cuckoo-Palace German Cuckoo Clock, Blackforest Hillside Chalet with wonderful animals. The lovely Blackforest Hillside Chalet display a summer scenery in the Black Forest. The owners of the weekend cottage are not home, and the wonderful animals share the garden. The water well and all of the amenities of the Black Forest hillside. The two babies are relaxing on the meadow while the little bird is enjoying the cool fresh water of the well. A little squirrel has found a little snack and enjoys it on the wooden bench. Don't overlook the little groundhog that is hiding between the two trees on the right side. The hillside chalet is entirely made of wood and has perfectly crafted shingles on the roof. The framework design and the light-colored dial are a nice contrast to walnut brown colors of the clock. The surroundings of the chalet are dominated by a wonderful meadow and several pine trees. On the left side, you will find the electronic unit of the clock. It contains the light sensor which automatically turns off all sounds as soon as it gets dark. This feature makes a hillside chalet also ideal for bedrooms. Besides this feature, you can also choose between all sounds off and only music off. The little push button lets you play the Choco sound anytime if you wish.